Welcome to this quick desk yoga session. If you've been sitting for a long time, take this moment just for yourself. Sit comfortable at the edge of your chair, place your feet flat on the floor, and lay your hand rest gently on your thigh. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a soft exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulder melt down. Next stretch. Gently drop your left ear toward your left shoulder. Keep both shoulders relaxed. You can place your left hand lightly on the right side of your head to deepen the stretch, only if it feels good. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Slowly switch side. Bring your attention inward. Notice the quiet space within you. You don't need to change anything, just observe. Feel your heartbeat, feel the rise and fall of your breath. This moment belongs only to you. Interlace your fingers and stretch your arms forward. Rounding your upper back, feel the space between your shoulder blades opening. Take a breath in as you exhale. With your arms overhead, lengthen your spine, relax your jaw, and soften your eyes. Lift your right arm and lean gently to the left. Keep both hip bones grounded as you lengthen through your right side. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Come back to center and switch side. Slowly release and inhale, twist to the left side. Inhale, twist to the right side. Come back to center, interlace your finger and lower your wrist. Reverse the direction. Spread your fingers wide, then make a soft fist. Notice any tension melting away. Place both hands over your heart. Close your eyes if you like. Take a final slow breath in and exhale everything out. Thank yourself for taking this moment to reset. If any thoughts appear, let them pass like clouds in the sky. Return to the soft rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to feel safe, supported, and present. This is your time to reconnect with your heart. See you.